Whenever an estimate gets approved by a client, for instance, in this particular instance, this estimate here was just recently approved. When you go over to your projects dashboard, you'll see a new drop-down appear here called Pending Projects. And then that particular estimate will be there listed in this Pending Projects drop-down. And what this does is allow you to quickly create a project based on the parameters of that estimate and link that estimate to the project so you can track time and expenses and budget correctly. So if I was to click on this pending project, it takes me to a new project interface screen that's different than if you were to simply just click on new project from the dashboard, because this now links this estimate, the contact, and all of the information related to that estimate. And then you would simply choose a particular stage for this project and click Create. And what this does is it will automatically create a new project with the correct project stages. The contacts on both your team and the client team that were attached to the estimate will automatically be created here, so you don't have to create the teams manually. It'll all be set up, as well as the estimate and any scope adjustments that are related to this estimate show up here already with the budgets ready to go, and you can begin tracking time and progress on here. So this would be the process to follow whenever a new estimate gets approved and you want to create a new project and start working on it.